I can give you my offer now. Here's my offer. Nothing. Hi, good morning. I'm sure I did not do justice to that scene from a masterpiece, Godfather 2. But I just wanted to emphasize that sometimes uh, when we opt on to be minimalist, sometimes the impact is much greater. Like in the workplace, the more we micromanage our people, the more we uh, do man-to-man guarding on them, the more that they will be less productive. That's why it's really very important, number one, for leaders to establish credibility. And you establish credibility over time. Uh, you need to first know your employees. You need to be with them, especially during times of need. And as a leader, your leadership does not start at 9 a.m. and end at 5 p.m. It is a 24 by 7 job. That's what a leader is supposed to be. You have to be available to your people anytime they need you, especially when there are issues at work. You should be there in times of need. That's what a leader should be. And you should be there to mentor your team and to show them that number one, you are the most intelligent person in the room. Because if they feel that it's all about you, then people will be demotivated. We know that, right? So that's what leadership is all about. And when it comes to disciplining people, it's really very important that you already have that credibility, so that you don't have to shout at people, you don't have to micromanage people. The mere nothingness sometimes is everything, right? Because your people know that you are serious about work, but at the same time you are with them in times of need. So you are a complete package, so to speak. So that's my short message. Nothingness sometimes is everything. All right.